fire alarm. Let's see how loud it is. First,
And this is test 2.
yeah, test 2 or this is test 1 anyways. It's not.
You guys get to see it go off this time.
Yes, it's gonna be really loud.
I have a new pad.
Yes, and it's gonna be really loud.
And I can hold it now.
Yeah, so let me hold the camera.
Okay.
Here. You don't have to hold it. Oh, can I just push it?
Me.
Yes, push it. Ah! I told you it was loud. I told you it was loud.
And now the corn and straw.
Oh, flip. It's louder.
Now you can pull it, sir.
Yeah.
Now let's see what everyone reacts to it. I'm going to do a voice evacuation. Attention! Attention! A fire has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway's exit and walk down to your sign. Re-entry force. Do not use elevators. Attention! 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 A fire has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway's exit and walk down to your sign. Re-entry for a main lobby.
And get down the stairs and run out of here right now.
The fire alarm is off.
Oh, they're coming.
This is kind of wrong. People are reacting.
No guilty face. No guilty face. No guilty face.
Like, people are like, screaming.
What the heck?
Like, whoa. And that is system test 2.
Yes.
With my best friend.
It's a go. Your best friend has go.
There's a vacuum cleaner. And hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button. I'll see ya in system test 3.
System test